So we are representing Selim projects. I'm Mika Savela.
And I'm Henrik Drufva.
Our project is called Proxima Utopia, and it's a kind of a reference to the star system Proxima Centauri, and the Proxima means Proxima in Latin, kind of the next, the up and coming. And this is about utopias that might be approaching us that we don't even know yet. So it is the unknown known, as we heard from Slavoj Žižek. And our project, in a way, is an attempt to build a kind of a world map or a mappa mundi of these kind of potential scenarios that might become utopias that in part will be a bit more like diversify our modern understanding of how we envision the future in architecture, but also to not always say whether these developments are going to a positive or negative direction. The utopias, I think, what we suggest are more related to always the context of architecture or the context of design, that what will be the future context of where architects need to operate. And I don't know, one of them that I really like was this idea that when in those old world maps or mappa mundis, they would put like sea monsters around the edges of the world where sort of the known world ends, that don't go here because it's monsters there, the sea monster. But then when we all know that there's kind of climate change ongoing, then the monster becomes, the sea becomes the monster instead, and it touches everyone, not just the edges of the world or the peripheries, but also the centralities. Well, I think for me it's kind of like both a trope and a possibility. Like we kind of usually imagine futures for future cars and future houses or something. So for me it's a kind of positive and negative feeling at the same time.